Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix USB drive not showing up Windows 10. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's make sure it's not a connection issue. Try plugging your USB flash drive into different USB ports on your computer. Sometimes the front USB ports might not work as well as the ones on the back. If you're still having issues, don't worry, we have more steps to try. Now, let's check if your computer is recognizing the USB drive. Go to the Start menu, right-click on it, and select Disk Management. This tool shows all the storage devices connected to your computer. Find your USB drive, which should be labeled as a removable drive. If it doesn't have a drive letter assigned, right-click on it, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths, and assign a letter to it. After this, close this app. If your USB drive still isn't showing up, let's try Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu again and select Device Manager. Scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand it. Here, you should see your USB storage device. If you don't, try unplugging and replugging your USB drive. Once you find it, right-click on it, select Uninstall Device. Then scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. And that's how you fix USB drive not showing up Windows 10. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.